Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the eye color of your avatar in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, if you want to customize your character, you need to use a mirror, and you can find the mirror at the Droi salon at the second floor. You need to find this mirror, or you can use your own mirror if you have. Since I haven't unlocked the mirror yet, so I'm going to use the mirror at the Dorothy salon. Okay, you can track Dorothy here guys. Dorothy is at the central square. Okay, and you can click on the mirror, go to the eyes, and then you can scroll down and choose the pupils, and then you can change the pupil color. I'm going to apply this brown color, for example, and then we can click on purchase. All right, it's done. The eye color has been changed. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your eye color in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.